Parevner! This is Patil Tutunjan coming to you from Cyprus, specifically in Paphos. The reason why I'm starting, let me show you the outside of the hotel. This is Kinira's hotel where I'm staying. I made a full video on that, so go check that out if you haven't already. And the reason why I'm staying a few days in Paphos is because my flight landed here. So I'll be wow, I need coffee. I'll be spending about like 3 nights here. So about like 2 full. This is not happening. Let's start over. So I'll be staying here for a few days, explore a little bit around, give my first impressions, and then I'll be heading out. I will be spending most of my trip here in Nicosia, where I will be exploring the capital. There's so many interesting things happening there, so I will go check it out and make videos for you guys. And also then I will go to Larnaca for a very short amount of time, where from there I will be flying to drumsticks, drum rolls, Armenia. So let's go check it out. Honestly, I haven't looked around so much yet, so this will be my first impression with you. So far, I'm really liking the hotel, but I have no idea what's outside. So let's go explore. I'm so hungry and need coffee, so let's go find those things. One first impression so far, that it's September 5th today and it's like 36 degrees and it's really hot. So if you're planning to come here for the beaches September, you can also do that. It's really hot. And it looks like this street is like a shop street. There's a lot of shops here and it's a pedestrian only street, which I really like. This looks like a very Greek place, but I also see things on the other side. I want to walk around a little bit and see what's around and then choose where I'm gonna eat. There's so many cute places. I'm so excited. Is this because I'm hungry? I don't know. And it also looks like they have iced coffee in this city, which is refreshing because that was a struggle in France. This looks promising. I've actually spent a couple of days in Athens. I wasn't making videos then, so I don't have a video on Athens, but I will definitely go back. This is giving me very much Athens vibes, with like the stores and the restaurants and the colors. White and blue. Everything is white and blue. And I can already see the sea. See the sea? Get it? I don't think I will be doing any water activities, although I saw that there is a very nice water park, and it's called Aphrodite Water Park because it's believed in the Greek legend that Aphrodite was born here, and there's a rock where she was born. But the water park I don't think I will be able to do because it looked like it's really big and it will take up a full day. I will see though what happens tomorrow and if there will be enough time to go visit it. But regardless, I'll include the information in the description. I'm having some mic technical difficulties, so I will see if it charges back up. I will connect my mic and hopefully the audio will be better. I don't know what it is about this city, but for some reason it's putting a smile on my face. So far, good impressions.
Big on this one. Let me see.
So how many is in the...
It must be 3 because it's
okay.
Yeah, it will be 3. Let me see. too much. This one can kill me.
One is small.
So it must be like 200. It's very expensive. It's 60 euro the kilogram. Can you imagine?
Wow.
Exactly. It's
Okay.
250.
Perfect. They gave us appetizers, some Greek olives and pita bread. Since I'm so hungry, I can't wait for the fish. Let's try some olives together. I love olives. The food is here. It's huge. Let me show you. Okay, time to try this. Honestly, I want to eat it with my hands. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. It's so fresh, obviously. I'm gonna put some lemon on the next one. If I figure out how to do this food reaction things, we might turn this into food vlog. Who knows? Some salt. Ooh. This is so good. Let's try the fries too. Big fries.
That's what she said.
Okay, I'm gonna go eat this and then we're gonna go to some markets. Now that the eating has been taken care of, so that meal, just to give you a reference, and I got a cola to drink, it was 21 euros. And now behind me, I saw on the map that there was like a Paphos market thing, so I want to go in. It says Municipal Market. So let's go see what it is. So far it looks pretty closed to me. So it looks like it's closed. I don't know, maybe there are just a couple of stores that are open and everything else is closed. Story time. Did you know that in Cyprus, the drivers drive from the same side like in the UK? I had no idea. Yesterday, our taxi driver, he was sitting in the car on the right side, and I was like, oh, maybe it's in Armenia where sometimes, maybe it's like in Armenia where sometimes the cars, that's where the steering wheel is and that's where they sit. And we were so tired, it was so dark, I didn't even notice which side of the road we were driving on. So now I just noticed a lot more cars doing that. By a lot more, I mean all of them. And I looked it up and I think, yeah, correct me if I read it wrong because there's been so much sun, but that's what I think it is. Yeah, I don't know. Right behind me here, there is a church that's under construction, it looks like. And this is back to my hotel. I need to cool down a little bit. It's really, really hot. And surprisingly, it's very calm in the city here. So I don't know what are like the peak times or the peak seasons, or maybe if everyone's at the beach because it's really hot. I'm just gonna check out what's on the other side and then head back to the hotel. Although last night when our driver dropped us off, it was on this other side of the street, not the way we went to explore right now. And I don't think there's much on that side. I think it's more just like roads for cars. After I cool down a little bit and also charge every electronic device, there are a couple of archaeological sites next to the sea that are about half an hour walk, like 2 kilometers or so. I'm debating if it's a bit cooler to maybe go check them out over there and take you guys with me. So I'll let you know what happens. Okay, I'm gonna go charge everything, including my brain. See you guys soon. Update time. So I cooled off a little bit, and I was talking about the archaeological sites. So I realized that some of them close at 5 p.m. and I didn't want to go back out in the heat. So I postponed that. But in that time, I actually found a boat trip that I want to go on tomorrow at 8 a.m. And I realized that I don't actually have a backpack to take with me. I think it's going to be a very exciting boat trip. I'm really looking forward to it. There's going to be like so much happening during the one trip. So I'm curious to see how it will all go. But before grabbing dinner and finding a little place to get a drink with you guys, I thought maybe I'll come check out these shops here and see if I can find a backpack for the trip. So let's go. Operation Finding a Backpack. There is a mall about 20-minute walk from here, but I don't really like going to malls. I want to see what the local markets have. So that may be our last resort. That may be our that may be our last resort, but for now, I'm gonna check out these shops. I found one here. This one's 15 euros. Let's go see if anyone else has anything. Maybe they will have the same things. It's like a vernissage situation, But it's okay. I'll look around and see, because I realized that I only have a tote bag that has no zipper or anything, and with all the cameras that I have to take with me, I need something that's a little bit more secure, nothing falls off with the battery packs and so much. Success! I got a turquoise bag. Well, I don't know if it's success because the quality versus the price isn't necessarily a success, but you know what, we supported a local shop. It has lots of compartments, so I can put my different like battery pack and stuff, and it says fashion on it. Why does it say fashion on it? It's okay. It's okay. And it will be super helpful for tomorrow and for the rest of the trip. Next time I'll remember to bring a backpack with me. I also think this will then fit in my luggage easier. Like my luggage meaning my large backpack. Okay, now I'm smelling so much food smells, so I think it's time to eat and grab a drink. I saw a few cute cafes on the way. Let's go check them out and see which one we will pick. So I ended up picking a Greek restaurant this time. I'm going all Greek, including the water. So we have the water. I got some Greek white wine. I got some Greek salad and some zucchini and eggplant with tzatziki sauce. Let's see how that works. And they brought me, I don't know, is this garlic bread? Let's taste it. Oops, holding the camera all wrong. It's like za'atar. Some za'atar oil bread. This is good. Oh, this is turning into a very large glass. And the salad's already here with feta cheese. I wish you guys could smell the salad. It smells really, really fresh, and I feel like I need some fresh things. And with that, nuts, cheers. This is good, very light. And I'll try the salad too. Yum, yum, yum. I always find it tricky to unwrap these things. Is it just me? It's probably just me. Okay. I'm gonna try to get a bit of everything. This is huge. There's also olives on it, in it. So good. Okay. I will try to eat this, and then I'll show you guys when the zucchini arrives. Oh, and the eggplant. It's here. Ooh, it's a little hot. There's 2 zucchinis, 2 eggplants, and the tzatziki sauce in the middle. Let me try putting the sauce. Let me try to cut it and I'll be back. It's so crispy. For the next one, I'm gonna put more tzatziki sauce. I couldn't taste it much in this one. I'm gonna try to eat as much as possible, and then I'm gonna try to go head back and sleep, because tomorrow at 7:55 I have to be at the bus pickup location to go on this big excursion that I'm super excited about. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love you. Kishar Pari. Good night. Hopefully I will see you tomorrow and we'll have such a fun time. Bye. That hand wave was really weird, so I'm gonna do it again. Bye.